In today's video, I'm going to teach you what is GitHub, how to use it, benefits of GitHub. GitHub is a collaborative platform built around Git, the version control system developers use to track changes, review code, and work together. Think of it as a home for your projects, where repositories hold your code, issues track tasks, pull requests manage reviews, and stars and follows help you discover great work. Let's start by heading to the GitHub dashboard. From there, click Dashboard to open your personalized home view. You'll see Top Repositories, a quick way to jump into projects you follow or contribute to. Select a highlighted item on the homepage to explore what's trending or featured. Next, open Latest from our changelog to see official product updates. This is helpful for staying current with new features and improvements. Now, return to your home feed. Click Feed, then open Filter to control what shows up. Choose Announcements if you want platform-wide messages. Include update posts from repositories to catch release notes and updates from projects you follow. Add sponsors to see sponsorship activity, and stars to surface events from repositories you've starred. If you want to see fresh work, include repositories that are created or forked by people you follow. To track collaboration, include issues and pull requests from repositories. Add follows to keep up with people you recently followed, and recommendations to discover projects GitHub thinks you'll like. You can also include events from starred repositories for a focused, high-signal feed. If things get cluttered, use Reset to default, and confirm if prompted to restore the standard view. Then reopen Filter to refine again as needed. When you're ready to start a project, click New to create a repository. On the Creation page, fill out the highlighted fields for repository name and, optionally, a description. Under Configuration, choose who can see and commit to this repository, setting it to public or private based on your needs. Leave the template as no template if you want a blank start. Enable. Add README to introduce your project and explain how to use it. Turn on add.gitignore to exclude build artifacts or environment files. Pick a template that fits your tech stack. Add license to clarify how others can use your code. Choosing a well-known license helps your work get adopted. Finally, click Create Repository.